Hi, I am Liza. Today, I'm here to share with you a few fond memories. Originally from Assam in India, been living in Singapore for over 10 years. The most loved food of my kitchen are my desserts, carrot halwa cake pops. Now I'm at All India Supermart to pick up the ingredients for my recipe today. Let's head to the baking segment. We are here at the third floor of All India Supermart. I love coming here because of the huge range of beauty products we get here. And their makeup range, they have everything possible. Also, their home appliances section has a huge variety. Here at the first floor of All India Supermart, really fresh vegetables out here. Let me first pick up the vegetables. After our shopping at All India Supermart, we are now here at my kitchen. So now let me share with you my special recipe for today. Now let me first go through the ingredients. Festivals are the best time. I always wanted my son to have a peek into my childhood memories. So I make it a point that during festivals I get him to All India Supermart. Now we'll add the chopped carrots. Ideally for carrot halwa we use grated carrots, but since I'll be using it for the cake pops, so I've just roughly chopped it. One more small tip for you. When you add the milk, make sure you're using just sufficient enough milk. Once it starts whistling, the whole thing would be flooded with milk. So now we pressure cook this for at least about 15 to 20 minutes or roughly around 2 to 3 whistles. My husband is a typical North Indian. He loves his butter chicken dal makhani, and I come from Assam. So the foods are like totally different. So when I was first cooking for him, it was like I was really scared. But then he loved my food, and now he makes sure that I only cook for him. Now I think we are almost done over here, so I'll turn off the gas and we just let it cool for some time. Now we've removed the boiled carrots and mashed it finely. Make sure to remove all the green cardamoms and the bay leaves because that was just for adding flavor. The one tip I still remember my mom giving me: always cook with love. When you cook with love, it translates into the food you make. So now we add our mashed carrots to it. Adding sugar to it. We just turn off the gas and let it cool for some time. Ideally, we would be keeping it in the fridge and let it refrigerate 1 to 2 hours. I'm not much of a baker, but my son loves his cakes and brownies. So I'm forced to bake all the time. And he's the one who has lot of weird combinations which he comes up with. Like say he would say, out of the blue, Mama, why don't you make some banana cake with a lot of chocolate chips or maybe some sprinkles? He comes up with these weird ideas and I have no choice but bake it for him. What can we do? Anything for the love?
I like to bake with my mother. I help my mother in baking chocolate cakes. I usually do the mixing with the powders and the taste testing.
So now, here I have already prepared some chocolate ganache, for which I have used 2:1 proportion, 2 portions of chocolate chip and 1 portion of cream, mixed it. So I'm just popping it into the microwave and 1 minute should be okay. Now we are done with our cake pops. So we'll be putting it in the fridge for say about 1 to 2 hours. Now we are back with our cake pops which we had kept earlier in the fridge. So now you can see that these are quite stiff and we are ready to decorate it. So here our carrot halwa cake pop are ready. Would love to thank All India Supermart for giving me this lovely opportunity. I hope the next time you have a party or get together, do make this for your friend, and I'm sure you and your guests would love it as much as we do.